Da 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 da.
Hello and welcome to the annual Slime Fest, episode 1. Today's going to be fighting tough and meeting the cool characters. Let's see. What's your name, young sir? What's your name, sir? Connor. How old are you, Connor?
2.
What do you think you're going to do in this competition?
Win, because he's a baby.
No more negativity. Now, Liam.
Connor got slimed.
What's your name, sir? Liam. Now,
But they threw him in the
how
pool.
old are you, Liam?
7.
What do you think you're going to do in this competition?
Get slime for that.
Very great answer. That is correct. All right. We had to test out the slime, you see, so it works perfectly fine. All right. Now, take round 1.
After we're all going to go
Shut up. What year was the first slime meet?
No, we can't. I can't press it. Me. That's the thing. I can't
Doesn't
press
matter.
it. 2013.
If you walk in with 2 people and come out with 5 people, what happened?
We get people.
No, you didn't.
Connor had his
Final.
hand
Okay.
over it.
How do you spell slime fest? Yep.
SLIME space. Yes.
Yes!
Exclamation mark.
Finally, someone got it right. Okay, round 2. Who was the first person to get slime? Yes! Okay, Liam.
The Nickelodeon people.
Wrong! Slime him!
No,
Put his glasses on! No, he doesn't want it on his face. Go, throw it. Alright, round. No throwing the slime.
Put it on
Round 2 continues. Now, the answer was me. I was the first host on the slime.
You said
Watch
the
out.
first person to get slime.
Yeah, and they were Connor, but she both got it wrong. Okay. And
I didn't even answer.
well, anyway. Okay, now let's continue with round 2. How do you spell fix it?
Me. Yes.
Wait. Okay, let's go.
FIX space IT space FELIX.
Exclamation mark.
Yeah. No, you didn't say the exclamation mark in all one. Don't slime him yet. We're going to wait. Now, let's do one more question before we move on to the grand final. Before we get to grand final, what we're going to do is we're going to basically get the leftover slime from this episode and tip it on the head. Well, whoever wins. So at the moment, Liam and Connor are tying. Well, they're both on 3. Whoever gets this next question right, well, let's see. They don't get a bucket of slime on the head. And they have to wear goggles. And my assistant is kneeling, bending down, showing something. Lucky thing, the camera wasn't on. Anyway!
Yes, it was.
So no, anyway, let's get on to the final question. Now, I don't actually have one planned, but I'm sure the audience has a question they would like to ask. I'll be right back. I have a secret person hiding behind the screen that no one knew about at all. Yes. Well, what question was that? Oh. Okay. Thank you. I just had a word with the secret person behind the tree. Haley, come here. All right, let's see. Now, you want to know a tough question? Well, this tough question is really... And the question is, what is the question? It's a trick question. What is the question?
What is the question?
That is the question. What is
What is the question?
Haley, don't.
What is the question? Is the question.
Oh.
Okay, so the question they want to be figuring out The question is, what is the question? We'll be right back after this ad. Come with me, camera. We're going behind the scenes. Come on, we're going behind the scenes to meet the characters and see what they're gonna do with the trick. All right. Stop throwing sign at each other. What are you gonna do with this trophy?
I am going to kiss it and hug
Okay,
it
cool beans.
and
All right.
break it.
Anyway, now come with me, camera. We're gonna share some goss. So the goss is, the question is, what is the question? Well, what are they gonna do? They don't know the answer. Well, I surely just figured out the question, and the answer is, in fact, I would tell you, but they're right around the corner. What is the question? Well, the question is, what is the question? They've got to figure out the answer, and if I think it's a good enough answer, well, they get to stay in the competition. If you complete the question task, then you move off and you verse the best slimer in the universe. That is someone top classified. You will not find out unless you make it to the next round, which we will then be filming again. All right, let's see. After this ad, who managed to actually figure out what the question is?
Question.
Yes, well, the question is, what is the question? But what's the answer?
Clue.
Where's my clue? Yes? Actually, this is really funny. You're going to laugh into the answer. Do you both give up?
No.
Then what do you think the answer is, Connor?
I think it is that you're the best slimer.
That's not what is the question.
Time to get slow.
All right, you have 10 seconds. 10, 9,
I'm winning.
8,
Play the contest and we're gonna
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 4. Do you know the answer to the question?
Slime.
What is the question? That is the question. Question?
Slime me.
No, that's not the answer. The answer was, in fact, question mark. What is the question? Well, you have to have a question mark with a question.
Wait.
Here you go.
Let's throw some slime.